So friends, this is the little bit, the very first touches that we put on the door here. I just painted this live on Facebook and hung out with you guys over there for a little bit. So now I'm going to set up my camera and we are going to get it done. We're going to get down to business. I'm going to turn on my music. And this is going to be one of those wonderfully satisfying transformations as we see this progress into a gorgeous garage door. I started doing some spring cleanup painting around the house probably a couple weeks ago, but then even as early as last week, we saw snow. It's crazy. There are beautiful blooms today in the yard, but this is what it was like last week. Can you believe it? But today is a beautiful day. I think we're at the point where I can go ahead and knock out painting this garage door. Woohoo! Let's get it done. So right now I am doing what is called a brush and roll. My plan of attack is to go ahead and trace in all these blocks. My roller will not fit in these little spaces, so I'm going to go ahead and cover them all right now with a paintbrush. So while our rock lobster is finished drying, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare with our banana peel, glossy poly acrylic top coat. I'm kind of loving on the glossy right now, so I'm gonna go with this sheen. Well, Matt returned with these two beautiful ferns, and we have a Stanley cat. Do you approve, Stanley cat? Do you like what I'm doing here? Stanley's my supervisor. He just sits here and watches me paint. So I am happy we were able to get two ferns today, which makes me really want to get this project done so I can hang them. And we are done. I am so happy. The sun is starting to go down. I will tell you, I got a little encouragement as I got to the tail end of painting this because Matt cooked us some pizza and the smell was kind of coming outside, and I'm like, I gotta get this done. So I am going to eat pizza on this beautiful evening and enjoy looking at what feels like a brand new garage door. So, and let's pop up a picture to remind ourselves of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. I'm definitely gonna pick this look right here. So I'm gonna go ahead tomorrow and work on my side back door here to make it match with the rock lobster color. Put my wreath on over there, maybe put out a new rug, a new doormat, and it's just gonna feel like this area of the house is looking sharp. So hopefully you guys got inspired as well. Maybe you too have a project that you have been itching to get to, one that you've had on your list for like 2 years. That's okay. No time like the present. Best time to plant a tree, today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Take care, and we'll get into something else. See ya.